So this is a fun one. Dodge Grand Caravan. They said they had no headlights, and then they took it to somebody, and they fixed the headlights. But now they have headlights, and now they got a bunch of other issues. So it says no fuse. Yeah, it says no fuse right there, and they did fix the headlights. I mean, so that is fixed. But let's see what that no fuse is. I see a check engine light, so let's get the codes read and see what it says. I'm just going to do a generic scan. I'll run all the modules later, but I just want to see what this tells me. 4 codes. Okay, exhaust code, evap, EGR, EGR. Okay, not worried about that either. They do got a big exhaust leak, so obviously that could be throwing all that off. I'm gonna go ahead and scan all modules anyways. Okay, so this gateway just shows pretty much all the front headlights, stored codes. We can go and erase those because they did fix them. So I'll get those erased. We'll just go through this one by one. All the door modules too. Weird. Found 4 faults. Anything current? No. Lost power, lost power, lost power. Okay. Also not a big deal. Now as I was reading up, the dash says no fuse. And technically it shouldn't start. But it starts just fine. So that's a little confusing. And same thing, stored codes are all battery low. We don't care about those either. Those are also working fine. Wireless control, don't care about that. HVAC system. Okay. None of that is actually telling me. ABS and wireless control. Again, none of these are telling me. Because it says no fuse. They said they had a clock spring sensor or a code. Yeah, none of these matter. I'm just going to quick erase everything. Okay, got all that cleared. Now, alright, so I'm noticing something strange. Like I have headlights now, and they got 4 ways, so all that works. But all the interior lights are, some work, some don't, which, you know, that could be blown, but they're not, these aren't all working when they should. Let me see if I can make it happen again. Well, of course, because I got a camera on. I was playing with this earlier and I was noticing, yeah, the interior lights weren't coming off and on, and neither was any of these lights. These lights I couldn't make come on either, because I got the switch over here that activates everything. So let me see if I can make it do it again. Okay, well, It's either that problem fixed itself or it doesn't want me seeing it. But there is one thing I do want to check. I'm gonna get this hood popped. Okay, so I just gave everything a quick once over and look what I found. Oh, there's not enough room. Or the wire twisted right there. So I'm gonna untwist it and see what it does. There, untwisted it. So let's once I find the keys, put it back in. Okay. Okay, still got all of the lights. Everything's working great. Okay. The radio's on. HVAC works. All the HVAC system works, stereo works, lights work. Turning signals works. No codes on the dash. Huh. And this is what's nice about having wiring diagrams that I don't have. Try to figure out where that wire goes. Alright, just took out the 2 Torx and got up in there, and you got a really nice panel to work with. Big wide opening. But there it is. It's soldered and put back together. It's just, I'll show you how to put this back together in a second. That way you know how to take it back off. I know I'm jumping around here, but it's really hot. And I just want to figure out what's wrong with this thing without having a wire diagram. So, no fuse. That's still on the dash. So I'm not exactly sure what that one goes to, but it's obviously not very important because everything still works on the vehicle. Now my next thing is I need to look for a fuse called it's really hard to read these. Where is, let me see here. It's called IOD. IOD, let me see, trailer, power, heated, wait, M10. M10 is IOD. It's a 15 amp. Also number 13, so, okay, 10 and 13. So let's look at 10, M10. Let's look up on this little diagram. Oh, it's J10. Okay, M10 is right there. Let me see here. So, 15 amp fuse, M10, which is right there. Should be a 10 amp. Let me see, what's M37? Make sure we're pulling the right one. Should be a 10 amp. All right, so we know this one right here. Okay, that one's good. Now let's find M13. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so here's this. This should be a 20 amp. Double check that. Yes, 20 amp. It's right here. Very tight fit. And let's see here. There we go, that one's blown. Let's replace it. Okay, now with any luck, it should stop saying no fuse up there. Okay. Oh. We have headlights. We have interior lights. We have turning signals. We got 4 ways. Yep. Alright, let's see the HVAC. HVAC works. To the rear. I don't know if the rear works. The exhaust is so loud I can't hear. Okay, I think that's it.